Getting close. I mean, you don't realize A, how much room you need for a little pond, and then how many trees got to come out when you're in the woods. Oops, tree. If I don't tip myself over first, get this party started. All right, we got our game plan together. I got a few more trees to take out, and he's gonna start shuffling them because I want to make just one slash pile. Yeah, I know you can't see. I can't see either. And I'm not opening the windshield here. So, well, maybe I'll turn it back on when I ain't sitting right in the sun. The handle. Oops, tree. Oops, tree. Well, I'll do it. Break it, I guess that'll work. Then I could tuck it in here better. Oh, I love that Bobcat bone crushing power. There you go, that's how you fold them up. So I'm gonna go and dig behind him. We're gonna switch positions and get this party started. All right, let's pull some more trees. I'll tell you what, that trip, that Montana trip was awesome. Dirt Monkey, Stanley, and Josh, Stony Ridge. They said the trucks are all full, man.
Oh yeah, right.
You gotta, yeah, either that or hike, one or the other.
This is the one that was. Really good. And it'll tell me. It'll tell me.
Them guys were go-getters. They were awesome. I mean, they were just really a blast. Of course, they had lots of fun. They do. You know, the other guys I already knew from the last event that were there, and you know, I didn't talk with Cody a whole bunch, Wrangler Star. Although I did pick his brain, you know, for YouTube stuff for about 30 or 40 minutes on one of our commutes, and he gave me a lot of really good info, which is one of the reasons why you'll see me doing more shorts, because those are important, and especially right now YouTube's, you know, they're kind of promoting the shorts. So that's why you'll see more shorts. I mean, it won't affect the rest of the video schedule once I get back to, you know, finishing a couple projects. This is well, the only spot on the farm that has a little moisture in it. Of course, that's why we're putting the pond right here. Too bad that food plot wasn't like this. It would have taken a third of the time, that clearing. That the ground was so hard, it was literally like concrete, you know, poured around all the roots of the trees. Even the smaller ones, they did not want to come out. Honey locust, let's see if it's soft enough. I doubt it, to push that over. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh. All right, I'll start digging. On the ropes. Oh, come on, baby. And now it's just hung up on the trees. There we go. One honey locust down and out. Let's see what I need for this blunt, this dam. Yeah, I gotta clear some more trees yet. All right, we're getting close. I mean, you don't realize, A, how much room you need for a little pond, and then how many trees got to come out when you're in the woods. It's more than I anticipated, but that's pretty normal, especially wanting to make a good sized pond for a water source. So we're trying to just make one slash pile, kind of tucked in out of the way. So I'm itching to start digging. If I don't tip myself over first. All right, I'll leave them for Phil. Oh, check this out. Some famous YouTubers, Stanley Dirt Monkey and Josh Stony Ridge Farmer. This is awesome to meet you guys. I mean, I got a pretty cool YouTube channel too.
Yeah, we heard he had some sort of YouTube channel. Is that right?
Have you heard of mine?
What is it? Klapper? Something like
no,
that.
no,
It's sponsored by the Klapper, right?
No, Kapper Outdoors.
No? Klapper Outdoors. Kapper.
You had never heard of it?
What? Like, do you review baseball caps?
No.
You guys paint caps?
I mean, Dirt Monkey, you're like, I got a skid steer, man.
You do?
I do.
You know how to run it?
And, well, I'm learning, but I got a mini excavator too.
We know him. We know him.